Okay, and so now as we look at our block billing statistics, you'll see that on the check-in screen, we're displaying to the user, to the customer, how many block billing classes sessions they have left. But we also have two other mechanisms that you're going to want to check out. If you go to the report section, and if you type in block, if you look for a block billing report, there's a block-based billing agreement report. And if you hit that, that report, you'll see that it'll give you basically a document of everybody who's on a block billing agreement, the amount of classes that they were originally assigned, and how many they've attended so far. So here, for example, Eric Bell has attended one of 24 classes. Jennifer Bell has also attended one of those 24 classes. Let's see here. There's also, in our student list, if you go to your student list, you'll also see in the column chooser, we've added a few columns for your block-based billing use. You'll see a total block classes column that you can add, a used block classes column, and a remaining block classes column. So if you add all three of those to your student list, I would even then maybe save that list as a block billing list. You'll see now that you'll have those numbers. Anybody who has a block billing agreement you'll now be able to see how many classes they were initially purchased, how many they used so far, and how many are remaining. So let's do used. Let's sort by used and see who has used some of their classes. So it looks like Miranda Haiti has used 6 of her 40 classes. Jennifer, look, Toby Block last, Toby Block first, has used one of his 24 classes, leaving 23 remaining. So those columns I think are going to be very useful for you. Again, I think what I would do is I would sort of drag these columns over here where I can see them pretty easily on my display. And then I might just save this list as my block attended list and hit yes. And now anytime I come back to my student list, I can just pop over to my block attended list, and I'll see these columns in this layout, so I know who's attended how many classes. So those are your tools for your block billing agreements.